What's going on, family? I got a new style of hats coming in. These will be $25 a piece. These are called the flat bill. Real sturdy, good hats, snapbacks. I'm gonna have them in army fatigue and black. They're gonna have some other colors too, but this is what I got available now. I got a deal on these black ones, so if you want a hat, these are $25. I'm also going to have shirts available too, so for those who want to order personally from me, I also got them on Amazon. The hats won't be on Amazon. You actually have to order personally from me, so you can email me at HogOnWelding@gmail.com. That's HogOnWelding@gmail.com. Or you can hit the website up at www.HogOnWelding.com. That's www.HogOnWelding.com, and you can get a combo set from me. So if you order anything from me personally, you'll get a combo set. You can get a hat and a t-shirt. If you order the shirts, the t-shirts are $20, the hats are $25, and if you order the combo, normally you'll get a t-shirt, a hat, and a few stickers, and I put the kit together for $50, and that's part of the shipping included. So as long as you're within a nice area, the shipping should be no more than about $5 to $10, and I like to get the priority shipping. That way you don't have nothing to worry about on your package being delivered, because sometimes I had stuff just disappear, and at least your package will be covered and we can get you another one out. So for those who want to network with me, please let me know. Stay in tune with me. Hit me up too if you want to make an order. That's 405-977-9343. That's 405-9343. Hold on.